In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your PowerBeats Pro. It's very easy, only take a few seconds. So the first step is to put them in the case. Both needs to be there. Then you're gonna notice that this case has a very small button hidden over here. What we'll need to do is to keep press that button during 15 seconds until this LED located here turns red. Once this LED is red, you can lift your finger from that button and automatically they'll be factory resetted and ready to get paired with a new device. So let's do it together, okay? So the button is here. I'll take a look at this LED here. So, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, you see, red. I can now release that button and it will continue flashing white. When it flashes white, it means that they are in pairing mode. Take any device, Android, iPhone, whatever, Mac, and now you can simply search for this Bluetooth device and you'll be able to find it and pair. And once it's paired, this LED will stop flashing white. So this is it. This is how you factory reset your PowerBeats Pro. Hopefully this will help you. This will solve your issue. If you had one in the past, give a thumbs up, write a comment down below if it worked, and I'll see you in the next video.